In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax in FreshBooks. Navigating through FreshBooks and setting up taxes efficiently can save you a lot of time and ensure accuracy in your billing process. So let's dive right in and simplify this task for you. First, you'll want to head over to the FreshBooks website. You can easily find it by doing a quick Google search, or you can enter the URL directly into your browser's address bar if you have it handy. Once you're on the site, locate the login button, which you'll typically find in the top right corner of the page. Give it a click and it'll take you to the sign-in page. Now, input your account details to access your FreshBooks dashboard. It's important to ensure your login credentials are secure to keep your financial information safe. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted with an overview of your FreshBooks environment, which is your hub for managing finances. Next, you'll want to move over to the section titled Items and Services. This is where you manage the various products or services your business offers. Click on it to open a detailed list of your items or services. Take a moment to select the item or service for which you wish to add tax. This focuses your task specifically on the product or service that requires the tax adjustment. Now, the key step, finding the tax options. Scroll through the item details until you locate the section for taxes. Here you'll have the ability to adjust the tax amount relevant to the product or service. Perhaps your local sales tax rate has recently changed, or maybe there's a special tax rate specific to your industry. Whatever the case may be, ensure the tax amount here reflects the current rate applicable to your item or service. Once you've entered the correct tax amount, make sure to check the box beside the tax field. This action activates the tax for that particular item or service, ensuring it's included in any future transactions involving this item. Remember, it's crucial to save your changes to avoid any errors or omissions. Look for the Save button, usually on the page's bottom or top corner, and click it. Saving locks in all your changes so you can rest assured that everything is set up properly. After this, head over to the Invoices tab located in your dashboard. Clicking on Invoices reveals an option to create a new invoice. Go ahead and click New Invoice. In this invoice setup, you'll find an Add a Line button. This feature allows you to incorporate the item you've just adjusted the tax for. Simply click it, and the updated tax is automatically included in your invoice. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now successfully added tax to your items in FreshBooks, making sure your invoices are accurate and reflect the correct tax amounts. This process not only simplifies record keeping, but also ensures compliance with your local tax laws. I hope you found this guide helpful, and thanks for watching.